In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the emoji keyboard in Windows 11. If you've ever been typing an email, chatting with friends, or posting on social media from your Windows 11 computer and wished you could easily add emojis, this is exactly what you need. Windows 11 has a built-in emoji panel that's quick to open and really simple to use, once you know the shortcut. First, make sure you're clicked into any text box where you can type. This could be a document, a search bar, a chat window, or a browser text field. The emoji keyboard only appears when your cursor is active in a place that accepts text. So that's an important first step. Now, on your keyboard, press the Windows key and the period key at the same time. That's the key with the Windows logo plus the dot key. Hold the Windows key, tap the period key once, and then let go. After a brief moment, you should see a small panel pop up near your cursor. This is the emoji keyboard. In this panel, you'll see a variety of emojis organized into categories, such as smiley faces, people, animals, food, and more. You can scroll through them using your mouse wheel, your trackpad, or the scroll bar on the side of the panel. To insert any emoji, just click on it once, and it will be added directly where your text cursor is. At the top of the panel, there's also a search bar. If you're looking for a specific emoji, you don't have to scroll through everything. Simply start typing a word that describes what you want, like smile, heart, or thumbs up, and Windows will filter the emojis that match. Then, click the one you want. If you want to close the emoji keyboard, you can click anywhere outside of the panel. Press the Escape key on your keyboard, or continue typing and it will usually disappear on its own when it's no longer in use. Remember, the shortcut is the most important part. Windows key plus period. Once you get used to pressing that combination, adding emojis in Windows 11 becomes as quick and natural as typing regular text. That's all you need to open and use the emoji keyboard in Windows 11. Try it out in different apps and websites so you get comfortable with it, and you'll be able to add a bit more personality to what you type in just a couple of clicks.